Right, in this video we're going to add a new assembly item. It's a little bit different of a look here in QuickBooks Point of Sale 10. So I'm going to go ahead into my items list here and we're going to choose to add. Okay, and we're going to say assembly A, and it's going to be an inventory assembly, and I'm going to say the pricing. We'll pick that up in a little bit. I'm just going to leave everything standard for now. Okay, I'm going to say save. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to choose the correct department. So I'm going to say save there. Okay. So now, of course, you're looking at it and what you're used to seeing before, you're saying, where do I add what goes into the assembly? So this is the key here. So you're going to highlight here over the cabinets and you're going to say show details. And it's going to give me the details over here of assembly A, and that's where I click on assembly. Okay, and I'm going to edit my assembly. Now it's going to pull it up here. So I'm going to say built cabinet is the assembly. Regular price is, let's just say $2,500. Reorder points, unit measure, manufacturer, you have all that information here. So now I'm going to choose that we have some brass hinges. 4 brass hinges go into it and 1 cabinet goes into it, and I'm going to say save. Okay, so it tells me, I've modified this. Do you want to update the price of it? I'm going to go ahead and say yes for now. Okay, now notice it pulls up for me what my regular price should be based on what I have as my margins. I'm going to go into my pricing here, and it took I'm going to edit this. I'm going to go in and say what my markdowns are on this item. So sales 10, employee is 25, and wholesale is 20. MSRP is 2,500. Regular price is, let's choose 1,500 here. Now it's going to update all of those. I'm going to say save. All right. So there I can go in and edit that. And then further, I'm going to save this. I can say hide details, and I can go in and edit the item as a whole and see, if I need to add additional items. Now, if I want to, I want to go in here and go back. I can go in and add my alternate vendors, which allows for multiple UPC codes. I can change my available quantity on hand if I want to and have comments. Okay, I can go down and decide if it's if we need serial number tracking, if we print tags for this item, etc. All right. And so then the rest of it is pretty much the same as a regular item. So one thing you want to note, though, is when you do go into your edit assembly, you do have the options to build in here or break. So I'm going to go ahead and build some parts. All right. And it's telling me right there, I don't have enough on hand to build anything, but if I had enough, I would go ahead and build those. And if I had some brass hinges and some cabinets on hand, I would go ahead and select how many I want to build and click build. Okay. You can also break them down. So right now it's telling me I don't have any assemblies for this store, so I can't really break it down right now, but you would have the ability to go in there and break them down as needed as well. Okay. So that is inventory assemblies in Point of Sale 10.